Welcome to the installation video of the ARIES Switchback headache rack on a 2016 GMC Canyon. This headache rack is available in a carbide black powder coat finish and can be installed with or without the center mesh. To begin the installation, locate and cut the stake pocket covers located near the cab of the truck. With the center section laid out on a flat work surface, determine if you will install the center mesh. For this video, we will be installing the mesh. Lay the mesh into the center section. Next, select a side section and align the mounting holes of the two pieces. Insert an M8 hex bolt through the mounting hole and secure in place with a hex flange lock nut. Repeat this for the other three mounting locations. Snug the hardware, but do not fully tighten at this time. Repeat this process on the other side. Align the pieces and torque the hardware to the value listed in the supplied instruction sheet. Set the headache rack on the end of the work table with the slotted ends hanging over the sides. Slide an M14 bolt with a locking and flat washer through the slot of the headache rack and loosely attach the stake pocket clamp. Repeat this on the other side. With help, hold the headache rack in position over the stake pockets. Squeeze the stake pocket clamps together and lower it into position. Adjust the headache rack into your desired location, ensuring that it is centered on the vehicle. Once satisfied with the position, tighten the M14 hex bolts, making sure that the clamp is fully expanded beyond the opening in the bed rail. Remember to do periodic inspections to make sure that all the hardware is secure and tight. Complete the install by attaching up to a 10-inch LED light bar into each of the slotted channels on top of the rack, or by installing mounting brackets into the mesh for work lights. Congratulations on the installation of your brand new ARIES Switchback headache rack. For more information on this and other great products, visit ariesautomotive.com.